BCom third sem computer application. Today we will see alignment group tools in MS Excel. So we have a different types of alignment of a text within a cell. So we will see one by one. Especially top align, middle align and bottom align buttons etc. Sets the alignment of a text also along with the align left, center, right also. Moreover, orientation increase indent and decrease indent also available in the MS Excel. So we have summarized the buttons or the tools of a list of alignment in a groups. The first one we call it as a top align. So top align means align text of a cell at the top of a Excel. So automatically in the cell it goes up to the top of the cell if we select the top alignment. So in the middle alignment used to align a text of a cell at the middle in the cell, middle in the Excel. So within a cell, if we select a middle align, the text will show in between the middle of that cell, active cell. Okay. The third one is bottom align, same as it is, has a top and here the bottom align. Bottom align text of a cell at the bottom of the Excel. It shows the bottom of the Excel active cell. Center, obviously it comes under the centers in between the center of the cell, it displays the text. Align right, it is used a right side, rightwards in the Excel. The text will be shown rightwards in the Excel, right side in the cell ಒಳಗಡೆ text ಅನ್ನು display ಮಾಡೋಕೆ right align ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So orientation rotates a text of a cell direction, that is vertically or horizontally. Text na vertically ಅಥವಾ horizontally ಅಡ್ಡ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ಸೆಲ್ಲನ್ನು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟನ್ನು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾರಿಜೆಂಟಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಂಟ್ used to shift a text of a cell closer to the cell border. We call it as a decrease indent. Cell border ಮತ್ತು text ನಡುವರ್ಕ ಸ್ಪೇಸನ್ನು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. We call it as a decrease indent. As it is in the increase indent. So we can increase the text of a cell away from the cell border. So ದೂರ ಒಯ್ಯುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಸೆಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ನ. Wrap text is used for the wrap length of a text of a cell in a multiple lines in a cell. So if we want to write a text, if it is a lengthy in the text, it comes under the second line in the same cell. So we call it as a wrap text. Merge and center. So merge and center means used to combine two or more cells in a single large cell. We call it as a merge and it comes under the center, merge and center. So these are the alignments group in the MS Excel. This question was asked as a short note, write a short note on alignment groups in a MS Excel for the 5 marks. In 2017 question paper.